You know how sometimes you want healthy, crispy and tasty? Yes, that's what I'm making today. Moong dal cutlets. Trust me, they turn out so good you won't even realize they are so healthy. So here I'm taking 2 cups of sprouted moong and 1 roughly chopped onion and 4 green chilies. Add some ginger garlic paste and salt. Here you can add more chilies according to your spice level. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of jeera and ajwain. I'm transferring all this to a mixie jar and getting it grinded to a coarse paste. So you can add any types of vegetables of your choice like beetroot, carrot and potatoes, but here I'm keeping it simple just with the sprouted moong dal. Once the grinding is done, you can see that it has turned to a coarse paste. Now transfer it to a mixing bowl. So here we need some flour for the binding. Here I have taken half cup of besan and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Now we are going to add the basic spices like red chili powder, turmeric, coriander and cumin powder and mix it all together. If the consistency is little bit watery, then add more flour to get the dough-like consistency. Mix it really well so the spices get in every bite. Now take a small portion and roll it in your hands and make the shape of a cutlet. Repeat the process for remaining mixture. Now heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Since we are making healthier version of cutlets, we are going to shallow fry them instead of deep frying. Now place all the cutlets gently and cook on medium heat. Flip them and cook until they turn golden and crispy on both the sides. These cutlets are so healthy and crispy, trust me, you will make them again. And we are done. Once they are cooked on both the sides, they are ready to be served with green chutney or ketchup. These are great for the tea time or when the friends come over. You can add them in your burgers or wraps. And kids are going to love it too. Alright then, thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.